Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing credentials and packages. First, create OAuth 2. Zero credentials in Google Cloud and grant Gmail API scopes so NodeMailer can send mail. Then, install NodeMailer and Google Auth library. Once done, generate a refresh token through the OAuth consent flow and export client ID, client secret, redirect URI, and refresh token as environment variables. Make sure to use a dedicated service account or test account and restrict scopes to only send emails, because that minimizes risk while enabling program. You now code the mid steps. Create an OAuth 2 client and call getAccess token to exchange the refresh token for a short-lived access token. This avoids storing passwords. Next, build a NodeMailer transport using service Gmail and an auth object type OAuth 2 that includes user, client ID, client secret, refresh token, and the access token. Once configured, prepare your mail options from to subject text/HTML and use transporter. Send mail. Make sure to renew tokens automatically in production. You finish by sending a test message and verifying the response and message ID to confirm delivery. Once sent, monitor Gmail's sent folder and any bounce or rejection messages. Make sure the Gmail account isn't blocked or restricted and that OAuth consent and scopes include mail sending. If emails fail, check that the access token hasn't expired, refresh token is valid, and scopes include Gmail send. Also verify environment variables and that your app's redirect URIs match the console settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.